Christmas, everybody. It is, well, Christmas Eve, technically, 2023, which can mean only one thing. There is another Christmas vlog. The reason we're starting it on Christmas Eve is because it's actually been a really busy day for me and you. I've been at church for like a normal service, and then I went to like a Christingle service and even played a very, very convincing Joseph. I was double the age of everyone else on the stage, but I guess that doesn't really matter.
But they chose you, so...
They chose me. The roles, I don't choose the roles choose me. Anyway, so we are off to our midnight mass very soon, but we have hot chocolates in hand. We have our little baby Christmas tree here, and we're getting into the festive spirit. You are working tomorrow though, aren't you?
Yes.
You are. So it's just going to be me tomorrow. I'm going to my parents'. You'll probably notice the flat isn't looking very festive this year. It's been a busy old year, hasn't it? I mean, we got married, we went on our honeymoon, we were meant to move.
August.
Then we were meant to move.
October.
Then we were meant to move December. And it still hasn't happened, so we are still packed away in boxes. So we pushed the boat out on a little Christmas tree here. So let's go ahead, drink our hot chocolates, get to midnight mass, and then maybe look at some presents when we get back in. It sort of depends what time we get in, I guess, doesn't it?
Yeah.
The next day.
All right, good morning, everybody. We obviously didn't get a chance to do presents last night. We got in at like 1 o'clock in the morning and we were both absolutely knackered. So the presents are actually behind me here. It looks like Father Christmas has been. Look, there we go. He's been. So it is just me. Zoe's left for work already. And what I'm going to do is, it's about 8 o'clock, so I'm going to go for a quick run, get back, make some breakfast, and then get myself ready. I'm due at my parents' at 11, I think, so I've got a little bit of time to get ready. Alright, so I am back and suitably sweaty and hot, so it's time for me to go and have a shower and get myself ready for the day. But of course, we do have to say hello to Icarus as well. Hello, Icarus. Merry Christmas, buddy. I know you don't know it's Christmas Day, but it is, and it's an exciting day. So let me go have my shower, and then I'll make some breakfast. Alright, I am all showered. I've got my clothes on. I'm ready for the day. All new clothes. I thought I'd treat myself, you know. But there is one big question that I have to answer this morning. And that is, which watch am I going to wear today? We realistically have two choices. I've got the Apple Watch here, but it's dead, so there's not much point wearing it. I've got a Mission to Saturn, which is a Swatch Omega collaboration. Or we also have the Tag Heuer Chronograph F1 edition. I'm feeling the Tag Heuer today. It's a special day. It's a fancy day, so I think it's a time for a fancy watch. Yep, I think this is the one. Look at that. I absolutely adore this watch. If you'll remember, I got it last year for Christmas, so yeah, still love it. Anyway, let's go ahead and get some breakfast. Alright, so while I sit here and eat my breakfast, I think now is the perfect time to do a little bit of time travel. We're going to skip back a couple of weeks to a pretty special surprise for my parents, so let's go do that. Okay, and thanks to the power of time travel and a little bit of video magicry, it's a couple of weeks before Christmas, but I wanted to put this in the Christmas vlog. It is, of course, the season of giving, and I am Father Techmas today. Basically, we're off to see my parents. They've had the same TV for about 15 years. It's a pretty old TV now. So I've reached out to some guys at Amazon and I've managed to get them a brand new TV. So let's go surprise them. All right, go ahead.
Oh, wow.
Merry, happy early Christmas. I know it's a couple of weeks early, but wanted
You're
to
not
get
buying us that.
I'm not buying you this, no.
Mum, we bought it.
No, thanks to one of my lovely contacts over at Amazon. They managed to hook me up with a new Toshiba Fire TV to replace your, 12-year-old TV now? So this is 50-inch. It's QLED as well. It's got all of the nice features that you would expect. It's going to have all of your apps that you want as well, Netflix and all of that.
Oh,
so,
wow.
Yeah. So this is all yours. No need to review it or anything. I'm here to help you set it up today.
Thank you very much, Rob. Thank you. Oh, that's beautiful. That's brilliant.
Merry Christmas. Very early Christmas.
Thanks, Rob.
So it is time for me to head off to my parents. Got Icarus down there enjoying the day. I'm actually going to take one of my favourite bits of tech from this year, which is the Meta Quest 3, because I thought it'd be fun to play some VR party games together. In particular, Keep Talking and No One Explodes. If you haven't played it yet, it is brilliant fun, but it will probably ruin relationships. Anyway, I've got my presents, I've got my alcohol, I've got my Christmas hat, so let's get going.
Much later.
Zoe's home! Woo! And so am I. How was your Christmas day at the home? Yeah, you had a good day?
It was okay.
It was okay. Well, as you can see, Father Christmas has been. And he has dropped off 2 large sacks worth of presents. I think all of these are yours, so watch your legs. They're going to crush you there. And there is also another one up here as well. And I've got mine. So, should we just open up a few of them? And then, yeah. Let's get opening. Oh, you're going to open that one already? Oh. This one is from me. You already knew what it was. You came with me to buy it. It is a new record from Battle Beast. They are... How would you explain Battle Beast?
Rock metal?
Yeah.
It's a female lead singer.
Yep.
Other than that, I don't know how else to describe it.
Oh, it's a band that you like, isn't it? So, let me grab my stocking.
What it classes rock or metal?
Metal, I
I
think.
think it would be metal.
Let me grab my bits and we can do a few of our favourites. So I've got one from Zoe. Again, I think we already know what these are, right? We went shopping with each other when we bought them.
Yeah.
But I'm pretty excited about these ones. They are a new pair of glasses for my coffee. I love my espresso machine. I love my Nespresso machine too. So thought I'd get some new glasses for cappuccinos and lattes and such. Let's have a look at them. they come with these really cute little frosted bases that I really like, and the cups as well. They're not too big either, and I think they'll be perfect in the new house. What do you think?
Yeah, I think that'll be perfect. They look quite cute.
Thank you, my love.
This is a book, but I can't remember which one it was.
Yeah, you asked for a lot of books this year, so...
Yeah, I can't remember which...
I think I know which one it is. It is the...
Carrie Master one.
Is it? I thought that was the other one.
No.
Because of the...
No, that's the Carrie Master.
What's it called, sorry? Fawn of the Fallen. That is a series, isn't it?
Yes,
You've read
no, this is the first one of her newest series.
Ah.
So I've read one series, which I absolutely loved.
Mm-hmm.
I'm currently reading the last book of her second series.
Right.
This is the start of her third.
Ah. I think you've got a small one that should look something like that from Father Christmas. Go on, we'll open this together. Live reaction. I mean, you should already know what it is. It is, of course, a chocolate orange. You can't have Christmas without a chocolate orange. This one is a rare occurrence, I think, isn't it? It's if people know me, they know that I don't read a lot. I tend to listen to audiobooks or just not read.
I'm more the reader out of the two of us.
Oh, that's a bit menacing, isn't it? Maybe I shouldn't have ripped it like that. Just to see half of Mr. Elon Musk's face. This is, I don't know whether it's his biography or autobiography. It's not his autobiography, is it? Because he didn't write it.
No.
So it's a biography of everything that he's done, from Tesla, SpaceX, eBay, PayPal. I also read recently Steve Jobs' one, which I really enjoyed, and I think this is going to be in the same sort of vein of everything that he's done. But I'm really looking forward to giving this one a read. So thank you, Zoe. 'Tis not Christmas without a new game, which I assume this is because we never buy Blu-rays or DVDs anymore. So let's have a look. If it's the one that I think it is, I'm very happy. It is South Park with a sticker still on it with the price. Nice touch, Zoe. South Park, the fractured butthole.
I forgot to take the price off.
I recently replayed the first one of this, The Stick of Truth, and loved every single second of it. So thought it was worth picking up the second one to join Coon and friends on their latest adventure. It really isn't Christmas without a Link's gift set, is it, Zoe? No. And you've got a Radox one, I think?
Radox, what ones are these?
Yeah.
These are sea salt and lemongrass.
Nice.
Grapefruit and ginger.
That one sounds nice.
Mandarin and apricot.
Ooh. I've got, it's just called Sports Recharge? No idea. I must admit, I bought this. I looked in the shop and I assumed it was for men. But I'm not entirely sure, so I might be smelling like a girl for a little bit. Another quintessentially Christmas thing for you, Zoe. It's not Christmas without... Lindor. This is my chocolate one, and I'm assuming by the shape of it, it's badly wrapped, I know, but you try wrapping a triangle. The sharp edges are really hard to wrap. We know what it is. It is a Toblerone, but it is not just a normal Toblerone. Which one is it?
I can't remember.
You don't know because you were the one who bought. I was the one who bought it again. It's the white chocolate, and I think there's honeycomb. White chocolate honeycomb? Yeah, so a white chocolate Toblerone. Love a white chocolate. My last three, which all sound fairly similar, and I assume are to go with the nice Nespresso cups. They are, I think, the Christmas flavours. Are they flavours? You do call them flavours.
Flavours.
Yeah. I kept getting told off for today while I was with my parents for calling everything a flavour. It was like a candle and bath soaps and things. Are they flavours?
Scent.
Are they scents? Yeah, apparently they're scents.
Candles are scents. Anything you eat is a flavour.
Oh, okay, so the first one is peppermint pinwheel. I'm looking forward to this one. We need to get some more milk tomorrow morning so I can make myself a lovely peppermint latte.
Next one.
Ooh, frosted caramel nut. Ah. Did you stick
Yep.
to the box?
Yep.
Why?
So that it stays still when you're wrapping it and it doesn't move about.
Okay, so peppermint pinwheel and the frosted caramel nut. So this one must be... Seasonal Delight Spices. I thought you bought me the hazelnut ones.
Nope.
Ah. I like the look of those ones. I assume these ones are similar to the one they did last year that I quite enjoyed. Well, not last year, a couple of years ago, that I quite enjoyed. So, there we go. That has been Christmas 2023. I've had a really fun day. Zoe, I think you had a fun day when you got to us eventually. You got in about, what, 8:30 in the evening, didn't you?
Yeah.
Had your Christmas dinner, which was very nice still.
And I also had lunch, which was homemade by my work colleagues at lunch.
That was nice.
That was nice as well. And you made the carrot cake that I took to work.
Yeah. We played some new games. We played Happy Little Dinosaur, which is by the guys who did Exploding Kittens. Very funny. If you get a chance to play it, give it a play. We sang some karaoke, which is why my voice is sort of half gone. So yeah, that is Christmas this year. I guess there is only one thing left to say, and that is Merry Christmas, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful festive season. Enjoy the new year. There are some big things coming in 2024, including something that I'm actually kind of excited about in a couple of weeks' time, which I'll tell you a little bit more about eventually, but expect a vlog on that. So anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, why don't you like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and I will catch you in the next one. Oh, Zoe will also catch you in the next one. Why don't you say goodbye as well, Zoe?
Bye!
Adios.